Hi, I'm Nipun Tatsar. What is union find? A union find algorithm is an algorithm that performs two useful operations on such a data structure. First operation is find. Find is determine which subset a particular element is in. This can be used for determining if two elements are in the same subset. Second operation is union. Union is join two subsets into a single subset.
Hi, I am Navoda Pereira. As an example of union find, let's take an array of 10 elements. As you can see in index 1, 2 and 7 has the same value, which is 1. Also index 0, 5 and 6 contains the same value of 0. And index 3, 4, 8 and 9 has the same value of 8. Therefore, we can say 0, 5 and 6 are connected, and also 1, 2 and 7 are connected, and then also 3, 4, 8 and 9 are connected.
Hi, I am Kushan Shanik. How does union find work? Union find data structures are usually represented by linked list. You initialize each element to point to itself first. Each linked list will represent a set. Whenever you merge two sets, say A and B, you point the first element of the linked list representing A to the first element of the link representing B. When you want to know which set the element is in, check which element is at head of the linked list.
Hi, I'm Dinsu Gulratna. Let me explain you about Big O notation. Big O notation is used to determine the running time of an algorithm in an asymptotic analysis. So to perform the asymptotic analysis, we express the function of the input size with the Big O notation. For example, consider the case of insertion sort. It takes linear time in best case and quadratic time in worst case. The general stepwise procedure for Big O runtime analysis is as follows. First, it figures out what the input size is and what n represents. Then it expresses the maximum number of operations the algorithm performs in n terms of n. Then it eliminates all excluding the highest order terms. And at last, it removes all the constant factors.
Hi, I am Vishnuan. We will look about how to calculate Big O notation using theoretical analysis. I will use this example to look how to calculate Big O notation using theoretical analysis. Here we can see example code that calculation partial sum. Theoretical analysis can be done using pseudocode. We calculate Big O notation using determine maximum number of primitive operation this code. We can see first line initialize partial sum, it is one operation. We can see second line have three primitive operation. First one is I equals 0, it has one operation. Second one is I greater than or equals 0, it has 1 plus n operation. Next one is I plus plus, it has n operations. So all total operations are 2n plus 2. Then take third line is partial sum equal partial sum plus iq. It has 4 operation and it is iterate 4 times. So total are 4n. 4 line is return partial sum. So it is it has one operation. So total operations are 6n plus 4. Then we can take Big O notation. Therefore, this Big O notation is ON.
Hi, I am Navoda Nidakshi. Big O notation is used in computer science to describe performance or complexity of an algorithm. Big O specifically describes the worst case scenario and can be used to describe the execution time required or the space used by the algorithm. Thank you.